Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. I Bhavna Verma welcome you on your own YouTube channel Let's Learn Together. In this video we are going to talk about one of the earlier shared tips to speak English better. And that tip is think in English. I understand that thinking in English is not an easy task. It is because we are not a native speaker of English. But it is not impossible. You can do it. So in this video, we are going to talk about some of the tips to think in English. The first tip is which you can use. Describe your daily routine. Daily routine is something which we are habitual of. हम रोज सुबह उठते हैं, रोज ब्रश करते हैं, रोज ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं, रोज ऑफिस या स्कूल के लिए जाते हैं, तो ये हमारा डेली रूटीन है एंड वी आर हैबिचुअल ऑफ दिस. और जब हम किसी चीज के लिए हैबिचुअल होते हैं तो वो हमारे माइंड में ऑलरेडी सेट होती है. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्रांसलेटिंग दैट फ्रॉम हिंदी टू इंग्लिश यू कैन डायरेक्टली स्पीक इट इन इंग्लिश. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, I brush my teeth, I take bath, I I take breakfast, I go to school. So these are some simple sentences related to your daily routine, and these do not require these do not require translating. The next tip which you can use, that is create an environment of English. I totally understand we Indian do not have English atmosphere around us, but we can create it. If you are interested in listening songs, you can listen to English songs. That's how you can make environment of English. If you are interested in reading, instead of reading Hindi books, you can read English books. That is also one of the changes which you can make in your environment of making English. So changing your changing your environment from Hindi to English will also help you a lot. You can change the mobile phone language from Hindi to English. That is also one of the tips which can help you. The next is related to the previous tip only, that is reading. Reading helps us make understand the word. When we read, it can be book, your subject book or any other book, we surely come across some of the words which we use in our daily life. And also we understand how we can frame the sentence using those words. And once you understand the formation of sentences, you can use those in your own life. Another tip which can help you think in English, that is listening. Listening to songs makes your mind comfort with English. And once you get comfortable, once your mind gets comfortable with something, that becomes easier for you to do. And same happens with language. Listening will help you get the correct pronunciation, which will help you speak correctly. Also, the tip which you can use, that is describing your surrounding. Whatever you see around you, instead of speaking in Hindi, you can speak in English. Like, I am speaking, I am watching TV, I am going to park, dogs are barking. So these are some sentences, some simple sentences which you can easily speak in English and which you observe in your surroundings. The last but not the least, the tip which you can use, that is stop worrying about making mistake. We being a beginner, we we get afraid, we get uncomfortable when it comes to speak English, because somewhere back in our mind we have this myth that I should not make mistake. लेकिन जब तक आप मिस्टेक नहीं करोगे आप कुछ नया सीख ही नहीं सकते. एक बार मिस्टेक करोगे, दूसरी बार करोगे, तीसरी बार करोगे, फोर्थ टाइम यू विल स्पीक करेक्ट. दैट इज माय एक्सपीरियंस. So stop worrying about making mistake. And the tip for the day, the more you practice, the more you become comfortable and the faster you start speaking English. So these were some of the simple tips which you can use at your home and start your spoken English at home only without any course. So that was all about the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Also, you can refer to your friends who want to speak English. Also, I will add a homework in the comment section and I request you to complete the homework as and when you get time. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.